Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need a current backup and battery or charger. Once ready, open Settings and go straight to General. Tap VPN and Device Management, select the iOS 26 beta profile and choose Remove Profile. This stops future beta installs. You'll be prompted for your passcode. Enter it to confirm. After removal, make sure to restart the device so system settings refresh. This first action prepares your phone to receive the public release or restore a stable build without waiting for the beta channel. Once done removing the profile, check Settings Software Update for the latest public build. Install if available. If your device still shows beta or has issues, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to restore using a stable IPSWA. Select the non-beta file explicitly. Make sure to use the correct device model IPSWA. If the standard restore won't work, prepare to enter DFU mode for a clean reinstall. This wipes and reinstalls system software to remove lingering beta components. After a successful restore or update, set up your device and only restore your backup once iOS boots and is stable. This avoids reintroducing beta settings. If apps misbehave, delete and reinstall them. That often clears compatibility flags. If your device won't boot or shows install errors, try recovery mode or repeat DFU restore. If problems persist, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for diagnostics. One key tip: keep a second backup before any major restore to prevent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.